Hello, my name's Evan from Stoke Audi, and today I will be showing you around this brand new exciting Audi RS3 carbon black Sportback. It comes dressed in the eye-catching Kyalami Green, sure to turn heads when on the road, and with the privacy glass to the rear, adding a touch of mystery to the car's profile, standing on 19-inch alloy wheels with a 5Y spoke matte black design with brake calipers painted in black with the RS logo at the front. Showing you the boot area, as you can see, there is plenty of space for your every day-to-day needs. To the rear, you have the stylish leather upholstery with a centre armrest with two handy cup holders for those longer journeys and the ISOFIX anchor point to easily install your child's car seat. To the front of the cabin, you have the flat-bottom 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel with the Audi virtual cockpit, and to the centre of the car's dash, the MMI multimedia display and climate control. Sink into the driver's seat with the running theme of the leather upholstery with the iconic RS logo and a front centre armrest. Behind the wheel you have the 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel with the controls to the Audi virtual cockpit right at the driver's fingertips and a gear shift paddle for a more convenient drive. The Audi virtual cockpit displaying key features in the driver's view, such as a wide view of the satellite navigation map, so no need to take your eyes off the road. Connection of your mobile phone device to stay in touch with loved ones, and a wide selection of your favourite DAB and FM radio stations to choose from. If you like listening to your music, then you'll love the Bang & Olufsen sound system, giving crystal clear audio on every journey. For added safety, the rear view camera helps to manoeuvre in those tight spaces with confidence and ease. The MMI multimedia display going into phone apps for wireless use of Apple CarPlay or Android Auto by connection of the car's Bluetooth. Into the car menu with Audi Drive Select to choose your preferred driving mode, such as dynamic for a more sporty drive or comfort for those longer journeys. Parking aid for front and rear volume settings of low, medium and high to help fit in those tight spaces, and driver assist to give you all those pre-warnings on the road ahead. Media to have all your favourite apps stored in one place, radio to choose from your favourite DAB radio stations to sing along to, and the navigation map to help you easily find your desired destination. Below, you have the 2-zone climate control, so both driver and passenger can choose their preferred temperature regardless of the weather outside, with the added luxury of heated seats for those chillier mornings. Stay connected on the go with 2 USB charging points. Finished off with the sleek automatic gearbox with the electric parking brake, adding a modern flair to the car's profile, and 2 handy cup holders for those morning coffees. If this is the car for you, call today on 01782 488 205. Thank you.